so many Kit Kat wrappers. Like a party. Hey guys, it's me Becca and welcome back to my channel. So today is a video for all the chocolate lovers like me. We're going to be mixing cookies, which you know, who doesn't love a good cookie, and chocolate candy. My favorite, one of my favorite ones at least. I'm obsessed with Kit Kat bars. We're going to put those together and make some chocolate chip Kit Kat cookies. Yes, you understood. Chocolatey Kit Kat all coming together. It will be so delicious. I'm so excited to make them, so let's go ahead and do that. And the best part of this recipe is you only need like 4 ingredients. Cannot wait to make it. Okay guys, for this recipe you will need a bag of chocolate cake mix, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and a bag of miniature Kit Kats. The first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up those Kit Kats and start chopping them up. It's about 3 to 4 pieces per miniature one. Honestly, you could really use whichever ones you want. The miniature ones are just good because they're already smaller, so you do a little less cutting. But you just want them to be little sizes like that. They don't have to be perfect. So you want to go ahead and do that for the whole bag, for about 11 to 10 ounces, anywhere between, give or take. Okay, now that our Kit Kats are nice and chopped, we're going to set those aside for now. We're going to open up our chocolate cake mix. And we're going to pour it into a big mixing bowl. Okay, then we're going to put the rest of our ingredients in there. The half a cup of vegetable oil. And our 2 eggs. And then we're going to want to give that a good mix. Okay guys, now that I've got it, the cookie dough into, it's cake mix, but it's going to start looking a little bit more like cookie dough. It's going to have about this consistency. You're going to want to start adding in your Kit Kats. I put about half, and you want to start incorporating those into the mixture. Okay guys, so I still have a few Kit Kats left over because I just think that'll be too much. I mean, I still want it to be, I don't want it to be a Kit Kat, I want it to be a cookie too. So now that that's pretty well incorporated, we're going to go ahead and uncover, put these in the fridge for about an hour. And then we're going to roll them out to parchment paper. So I let the cookie dough sit in the fridge for about an hour. So now I just have a baking sheet with some parchment paper lined on it. And we're just going to roll in some cookie dough the way you would probably do like any cookie dough. So these cute little balls, and then just go ahead and make them. And then you want to put your oven to 350 degrees and cook them for 9 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, for everybody's favorite part, the taste test. By the smell of it, it smells like chocolatey goodness. And I really love that I can see the little parts of the Kit Kat bar still there. So I'm going to go ahead and take my first bite. Mmm. Okay guys. So, first thought is absolutely delicious. Very chocolatey. And the best part is the wafer gets really like soft, but it still holds a nice crunch. So it kind of feels like chewy and delicious, but then you get that like bite of wafer that gives it that nice little like crunch, but in a good way. And then the chocolate from the Kit Kat around it melts really nice. It's like a little burst of chocolate right now. There for you. And now, for any good cookie, you have to ask yourself, is it dunkable? Oh yeah, it definitely holds the milk nice and good. Oh my god, it makes it better. Somehow it got better. Okay guys, final thought is, without a doubt, this is actually the best cookie I've ever had. Because especially sunk it in the milk. I mean, like, if you make these, you have to have some milk with it. Like, you have to have it. Not like the 2% stuff, like the good stuff, like the whole milk. This, like, you gotta indulge when you're eating this. And trust me, it'll be worth it. No matter what's coming next, it'll be worth it. Because it is just that delicious. Like, goodbye. I'm gonna go eat this whole drawer. See you later. Okay guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave any comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching.